Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix when you enter in Google Chrome, you get Yahoo engine, search engine, and you want to disable it, to delete it so it doesn't pop up anymore. So for example, if I go on Google Chrome here, as you can see, it immediately starts with Yahoo. And if I go and click on something, let's for example say YouTube, and if I search, as you can see, it's going on through the Yahoo search, and I want it to be through the Google. So let's get started and see how you can fix it. So the first thing here is to go to these three dots here, and here we're gonna click on settings, and after that we're gonna click here on startup, and here you will see this Yahoo search engine is here. So now here you can go and click on these three dots here and click on remove, and now we click on open specific page if you want Google to be your, when you open Chrome, to be your Google first page. So click on this and click on add a new page, and here we're gonna type in our desired website. So this will be here Google, so we go www.google.com, and that's it. Just click on add here. And now one more thing we need to do before we finish this video, if you want to delete again, you just go here, or you can delete and edit it. Now one more thing is go here on search engine, and now here we're gonna click on change from Yahoo here, and we're gonna select which one do you prefer. So we go with the Google and click on set as default, and click on this manage search engines and search and site search. Click on it, and now here we can delete here if you want. Here you can delete all of these other search engines. If you don't want, you don't need to delete it. You can let here because it will not interfere with the new search engine. So we're gonna click on close here, and we're gonna relaunch the Chrome. And now here you will see, if we launch Chrome, here you will see the Google here. And now if I search, and as you can see here, everything now is from Google search. So that's pretty much it, how you can get Google search engine back. So thank you so much for watching. If this helped for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.